mitaratara ya uria andu mabatie gucemania niguo kunyihia gutherema kwa murimu wa Covid-19 ironekana kuhungura kona ciothe amu ona ndundu ya aminista riu ni yathitwo kwaga gutabania giikaro giothe o tiga kanju ya ugitiri wa bururi ibatie gucemania.
That with the concurrence of the parliamentary leadership of both houses of parliament and with the concurrence of the county leadership, the ordinary sessions of the august house, including those of their committees, and the ordinary sessions of the county assemblies of Nairobi, Machakos, Kajiado, Kiambu, and Nakuru are hereby suspended until further notice.
Roge rocirithania orona rurutina tigiriro hari mawatho maya kuria utongoria waguo uritio kunyihia cikaro iria ingirehe muingi hamwe.
That the judiciary, law enforcement, remand and correctional facilities, as well as the office of the Director of Public Prosecutions and other players and stakeholders in the criminal justice and civil justice system are also to take immediate action to eliminate non-essential physical contact or situations within their areas of mandate that may lead to crowding or propagation of the disease.
Thiini wa kaunti cithano na iria igumirwo ni kwambatira kwa home no ni kaunti ya Nakuru na kuria gavana wa kaunti no Uhuru Kenyatta anirire kuhingwo kwa wabici imwe cia kaunti no kwa ihinda ria thiku 30 orotiga iria cia uheani wa motungata ma bata na mahinahi.
Nakuru County, from Monday we shall be closing all our non-core services to do with agriculture, services to do with education, and many of the other non-core, including lands. We are going to close them, and only the essential services will run for the next 30 days.
Akiaria igongona-ini ria kuhurukia uria urari munini wa murugamiriri wa maundu ma kiuteti thirikari-ini ya Nakuru Wilfred Chebochok, gavana Kenyatta ni athanite aruti a wira othe ya kaunti ino makorwo makirutira wira kuma micii.
Tungeomba tu wale ambao si lazima wakuje mahali kuna watu wengi, mahali kuna mikutano mikubwa na hata mazishi tuweze kupunguza, itakuwa tunasaidiana kwa njia ya kipekee.
Chebochok ni umwe wa afitha atatu wanene ya thirikari ya Nakuru aria makuite kurumirira king'uki gia Covid-19. Muthi wa rucio uri urari afitha munene wa ugima wa mwiri kaunti-ini no mutigaire Samuel King'ori agitanywo kuhurukio gwake mucii mwena wa Lanet. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni wa ng'ombe wa Maina.